Edge Pro stands as a pioneering solution, redefining the workspace for both remote professionals and home office users. Evolving from the original Edge modular work kit, this upgraded version amplifies productivity, making it ideal for anyone seeking a sleek, adaptable, and efficient environment. Included in the comprehensive full kit are the Edge Pro Core, a versatile detachable arm designed to securely hold tablets and smartphones, the Edge Pro Lite to ensure optimal lighting, and the Edge Pro wireless charger for convenient power-up. The Olight Arcfeld Pro is an advanced, versatile flashlight built for both everyday carry and emergency situations. With a compact design, it fits comfortably in your pocket, offering an impressive 1,300 lumens of brightness, ensuring clear visibility in a variety of settings. This rechargeable flashlight combines 3 powerful light sources: a white LED for standard illumination, a green beam for precision targeting, and a UV LED for detecting hidden substances or markings. The Rokid Air 120. Full HD virtual screen smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with portable entertainment. Weighing only 3.5 ounces, these ultra-lightweight smart glasses offer an immersive 120-inch display experience that's perfect for gaming, movies, or productivity on the go. Designed to be compatible with a variety of devices including iPhone 16, Steam Deck, gaming consoles, PCs, and Android devices, they bring a cinematic viewing experience wherever you are. The Focus Sound directional speaker redefines personal audio experiences by combining cutting-edge sound technology with sleek, customizable design. This speaker's unique feature is its ability to project sound in specific directions, allowing users to enjoy immersive audio without disturbing those around them. The transparent build enhances its modern appeal, seamlessly blending into any environment while also offering a creative touch with the option to attach personal photos at the back. The Afly 3-in-1 neck traction system is a powerful solution designed to alleviate neck pain and discomfort. Utilizing advanced technology, this device supports the upper trapezius while providing effective traction for the neck. Its dynamic system gently stretches the muscles, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness or soreness, the traction mechanism offers a customizable experience. This therapy not only soothes tightness but also improves blood circulation, speeding up recovery and reducing inflammation. The Ruma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. The Leafeet S1 Pro is a versatile sea scooter designed for water enthusiasts seeking to enhance their underwater experiences. With a maximum speed of 6.5 kilometers per hour, it provides an efficient and enjoyable way to explore the depths of the ocean. The scooter features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to tailor your ride to the environment or your level of experience. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or swimming, the Leafeet S1 Pro adapts to your needs, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. Tucked into the corner of your pack or clipped to a belt, this tool doesn't ask for attention. It earns it. Crafted in either grade 5 titanium or lightweight aluminum, it embodies precision and endurance without compromise. Every detail is deliberate. The loop folds and rotates with a smooth, silent hinge, giving you magnification exactly when needed. The 3-in-1 cap system integrates seamlessly, housing a replaceable compass core, a protective cap for the loop, and a mirror that doubles as a discrete signal or grooming tool. The Unitree GoTo is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the GoTo offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The GoTo Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the GoTo Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. Escape the hassle of traditional stovetop cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus Whisper Quiet, your kitchen's new multitasking powerhouse. From early morning oatmeal to a rich evening stew, this all-in-one cooker transforms the way you prepare meals. Whether you're speeding up dinner or slow cooking comfort food, the Duo Plus handles it all. Boiled eggs in 4 minutes, creamy pastas in 5, or tender meats through sous vide or pressure cooking. Sunrise hits the yard, and the job is already done. The Limeau 1 robotic mower is precision-engineered for those who demand performance without boundaries. Built to dominate any terrain, this wire-free, boundary-free mower tackles complex yards with slope, uneven ground, or variable landscapes. It relies on advanced RTK V-SLAM navigation for pinpoint accuracy, eliminating the need for perimeter wires and making setup clean and fast. It covers up to 1.73 acres daily with quiet, consistent results. From early breakfast to late-night meals, this countertop powerhouse reshapes what your kitchen can do without taking over your entire counter. The Breville Smart Countertop Convection Oven with Element IQ system brings commercial-grade precision to your everyday cooking routine, cutting down cook times by up to 30% with its convection boost. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a highly capable kitchen assistant with 9 tailored cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. When your gaming laptop begins to radiate heat like a furnace mid-match, you need cooling that's more than decorative. Enter the Yano Phi 12 RGB laptop cooling pad. This is a precision-engineered platform built to handle the heat of 15.6-inch to 21-inch laptops with zero compromise. Instead of relying on noisy fans or inconsistent airflow, the V12 deploys a powerful turbofan system that pulls in cool air fast and flushes out hot air even faster. Reimagine how your screen moves with you, not the other way around. The LG Smart Monitor Swing reinvents versatility with a 31.5-inch 4Ku HD touchscreen that pivots, tilts, and swings effortlessly into your workflow. Whether you're sketching out big ideas, crunching data, or binging your favorite show, this display adapts to your moment. Experience a seamless setup that gets you working in minutes. Its USB-C, HDMI, and Bluetooth connectivity open the door to an efficient workspace. No dongles, no clutter. Unfold a world of interactivity right on your table with the Alight Cube Smart Projector. Roughly the size of a soda can and weighing just under 1 pound, this portable powerhouse transforms any flat surface into a vibrant 32-inch touchscreen. From the classroom to the kitchen, from creative workspaces to game night, Alight opens up new dimensions of productivity and play with intuitive touch controls and cutting-edge AI recognition. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. At just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSire Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Power through your daily grind with gear that meets the demands of professionals. The BooksTab Ultra C Pro is a 10.3-inch HD e-ink tablet engineered for peak performance and elevated productivity. With Kaleido 3-color e-paper, it mimics the richness of newspaper print, reducing eye strain while delivering crisp, vibrant visuals, even under direct sunlight. Fueling its efficiency is an advanced 8-core processor clocking up to 2.8 GHz, paired with Boox's exclusive Super Refresh technology. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Iono Retro Mini PC AMO-1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the AMO-1S is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Iono remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the AMO-1S stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. The DJI Avata 2 is designed to be compatible with a variety of DJI goggles and controllers, including the DJI Goggles 3, DJI RC Motion 2, and DJI FPV remote controllers. This extensive compatibility ensures an easy setup for your personal flying experience. For those eager to show off their skills, the drone allows you to perform gravity-defying maneuvers such as flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts, all without extensive practice. It's easy to master the basics and push your limits to new heights. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus redefines home cleaning with its seamless blend of advanced features, offering a sophisticated solution for effortless floor maintenance. With a self-emptying station and a large 2.5-liter dust bag, this robot vacuum ensures up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, allowing for a consistently pristine home with minimal intervention. Its 5,500 Pascal suction power, paired with dual rubber brushes, tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair with ease. This combination ensures that even the most challenging messes are thoroughly removed, leaving your floors spotless. Customizable suction modes via the Roborock app let you adjust settings based on your specific cleaning needs. Precise Sense LiDAR. Navigation enhances cleaning efficiency, enabling precise mapping of your space. Features like quick mapping, 3D mapping, and multi-level mapping ensure that the vacuum creates the most effective cleaning route for your home. The Goumia Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1,500-watt heating element, this Goumia ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. The air fryer's multifunctionality enables you to fry, bake, grill, and roast, providing versatility for a wide range of recipes. The sleek black and stainless steel accents not only add an elegant touch to your kitchen, but are also built to withstand everyday use. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Series 7000 is the ultimate grooming companion for those seeking versatility and precision. This all-in-one 23-piece kit is engineered to handle various hair types, offering the flexibility to trim your beard, head, body, and face effortlessly. The Goumia Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Equipped with Android TV 10.0, the Goumia Elfin gives you easy access to popular streaming apps and services directly from the projector. The built-in Harman Kardon speakers provide rich sound quality, enhancing the overall cinematic experience without the need for external audio devices. Auto keystone and autofocus features make setup effortless, ensuring the image is always sharp and perfectly aligned no matter where you place the projector. The GVU G3 Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. The G3 Max eliminates the need for glasses, supporting users with hyperopia and myopia through a diopter adjustment and customizable interpupillary distance, 58mm to 74mm. This ensures a seamless, comfortable viewing experience free from eye strain or double vision. Color reproduction is another highlight, with 95% coverage of the DCI-P3 cinema-grade color gamut, resulting in lifelike colors and deeper contrasts. The Arlo Essential Indoor Camera 2nd Generation offers cutting-edge security with its dual camera setup and 2K video quality, providing an excellent solution for monitoring your home, children, pets, and valuables. The high-definition video clarity ensures you never miss a detail, and the easy setup means you can have your cameras up and running in no time. Arlo emphasizes privacy protection, giving you full control over your personal information. With encrypted data and secure storage options, your privacy remains safeguarded while offering peace of mind for your home's security. Real-time motion detection notifications and live streaming through the Arlo app keep you connected to what matters. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. Whether you're vlogging, conducting interviews, or capturing on-the-go sound, this microphone provides seamless performance across different devices, including iPhone, Android, and cameras. Its sleek design and easy-to-use functionality make it an ideal tool for professionals and content creators alike. The 10-4 Tech provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the Toughbuilt StackTech drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The StackTech 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts.